Hi Bill. Thank you for explaining the importance of order and order items objects in the previous session. You also mentioned Advanced Order Management. I would like to learn more about Salesforce Advanced Order Management in today's session. Can you shed some light on it?
Sure, Ethan. Advanced Order Management, also called AOM in short, is a powerful tool within Salesforce Revenue Cloud that helps simplify and streamline the process of fulfilling complex sales orders.
That sounds interesting. Can you tell me more about how it works?
Of course. By harnessing the capabilities of AOM, businesses can effortlessly transform a single quote into multiple sales orders, catering to a diverse range of complex scenarios.
Why would companies want a quote to be split into multiple orders? What benefits does it offer?
A good use of AOM is when a company targets big customers with many subsidiaries. These customers often need different orders for each subsidiary, but AOM can help by allowing the sales team to create one big quote and then splitting it up into separate orders for each subsidiary. This way, each order gets billed and fulfilled correctly.
That sounds simple enough. Can you give me an example of how this might work in practice?
Sure. Let's say you work for a company that sells software, and you have a big customer with subsidiaries in 5 different countries. Each subsidiary needs a different set of products and services, but they're all part of the same overall deal. Without advanced order management, you'd have to create 5 separate sales orders, each with different billing and shipping information, and then make sure everything gets billed and fulfilled correctly. But with AOM, you can create a single quote that includes all the products and services your customer needs, and then split it up into separate orders for each subsidiary. AOM takes care of segregating the quote lines into separate orders based on whether products need to be shipped, or services need to be provided, so all you have to do is focus on making sure each order is fulfilled correctly.
I see. That sounds like it could save a lot of time and effort.
Yes, and even reduce errors. Another example could be when a company's global headquarters needs products shipped to their offices around the country. In such cases, AOM can be configured to automatically separate the quote into orders with unique billing or shipping addresses, enabling accurate tax calculations based on the shipping locations.
Can you explain another scenario where AOM can be helpful?
Sure. Imagine a company that offers both one-time and subscription services. To accurately track revenue and forecast earnings, it's important to distinguish between the two types of services. With AOM, you can create separate orders for each type of service, which makes it easier to manage your sales pipeline and make informed decisions about resources and future business strategies. By tracking revenue and sales data on a granular level, you can identify trends and patterns that might not be immediately apparent when all sales data is aggregated together.
Ah, I see. So by creating separate orders, you can get a better understanding of your sales data.
Exactly. It's all about being able to see the big picture by breaking it down into smaller parts.
That makes sense. It looks like Advanced Order Management has a lot to offer, and businesses can use this functionality tailored to their specific needs. Thanks for explaining it to me in detail, Bill.
Anytime. You're welcome, Ethan.
Before we wrap up, I want to take a moment to address all the viewers out there. If you're finding this information about Salesforce Billing valuable and if you're enjoying our discussions, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel and the weekly newsletter we send out. Check out the links in the description. By doing so, you'll stay up to date with our future episodes, where we'll explore each of these functionalities in detail. Also, if you know someone who could benefit from learning about Salesforce Billing, please share this video with them. Let's spread the knowledge and help more people understand the power of this incredible tool. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to having you join us for our next deep dive into Salesforce Billing.